what's up? It's Gabriella Martay here at Helps Too. I'm excited because today I want to crush and smash a lie that I hear a lot of creatives and business owners buying that is keeping them from growing right where they're at. All right, you guys, so I was listening to my great friend, Brandy Peters. She is amazing. If you don't know her, follow her. I'm gonna put her little info right here. And I was listening to her and she was talking about something that is incredibly important, and I've heard this before. I hear a lot of artists and business owners, they say, well, I'm not going to make it or grow or make money because I don't have a large number of followers online. And I'm here to squash that. It's not true, and I'm gonna tell you why. First of all, example, Helps Too, we did not have a good amount of followers or social media even, and we were making money digitally online. So that's not even a parallel concept. Like if you have 1 million followers, it does not necessarily equal $1 million or any dollars or $0, like it might be $0. So I'm here to tell you that just because someone is Instagram famous or someone is famous on YouTube, it doesn't mean that they're making money. Now, they could be, but it does not equal that. And I want to liberate all my creative friends out there that are trying to hustle, to reach people, and be able to make some money off of their music and their videos and whatever they're doing to put themselves out there. I want to let you know that you don't need 1 million followers to make money. I know, I'm a musician. I make money online with my music and videos, get this, and I don't have 1 million followers. In fact, I don't have 50,000 followers right now. So there is so much promise to you to keep going, because just because you long to make what you're doing into your career and it feels like you only get there if 1 million people notice you, don't feel that way. It's not true. I'm gonna give you 3 tips to grow what you're doing right where you're at, whether it's financially or gaining opportunities right now. Right now. You don't need 1 million followers. You can do these things right now. So tip number 1, you can go network. So as a musician, I know that there's tons of music conferences out there, particularly for people like me, musicians, people that do the music. And one that I've gone to is in LA every year, and I haven't gone every year, but I've gone before. It's called the ASCAP conference. And ASCAP is, you know, performance rights organization, and I'm not even a member, but I go because I know other musicians and other people who are highly esteemed, lowly esteemed, all the esteemed and non-esteemed are in the same room, and I can meet people. And last time I did go, I walked away, you guys, with a client for Helps Too who wanted to work with me. I didn't pursue him, he pursued me. And I walked away with tons of contacts to make music with and to get some opportunities with. So I just want to let you know that those moments, those conferences connect you in your industry, and they take you to a place where you can garner more opportunities, which eventually leads you to, if you want to make money doing what you're doing creatively, it'll lead you down that path, because you're going to meet people that are doing it and they're going to let you in. So it's all about getting connected. So if you don't have people in your hometown or you don't know anybody, that's fine. Go to a conference. Find a conference near you, make it a plan to go. And if you don't have a ton of money, hey, start fundraising, find a way. You can always find a way, I promise you. Go though, and it will change your life. Point number 2, I want you to open up your eyes and realize it might not always be your craft that makes the money. For example, I'm a musician and I also am the director of Helps Too. I run it, it's my business, we have a team, it's fabulous. But at the same time, when I'm on the road as a musician, the main bulk of my money that sustains my music comes from Helps Too, not the music, even though my music does make money, thank you Jesus. But it won't always be that way. Sometimes you have to work yourself out of a job or out of a situation to fully do your craft. It doesn't happen in a day. In fact, when I studied business at Boston University, they would always tell us, hey, the average business breaks even. That doesn't even make a profit until the 7th year. So why should you as a creative or a small business owner be any different? Now you might, Helps Too did. We've been making money for, I think we started making money in our 3rd or 4th year, and that was incredible. We feel super blessed, super privileged. But usually it's 7 years. So it's okay if you have a job or if you do another creative endeavor to pay for that. It's okay. You don't have to look super successful and drive nice cars. As most of those people that drive nice cars on your Instagram feed have rented those anyways, okay? Like, who really owns a Bugatti? Thank you. Come again. There might be someone you know, but I mean 1 out of 1 million. And the 3rd tip and point I want to make for you today is right where you stand, you know people, and you can ask those people to partner with you, support you, be a part of what you're doing. As Martay, the musician, I ask all my family and friends to support what I'm doing constantly. And you know what? They love to. It is their delight and enjoyment because they know me. And people who know you, they want to be a part of your life. And if they know you have a need and they can help you fill it, most people want to do that. Now, as a creative and a business owner, I know my mindset is usually to believe that people are too busy to want to help me or that I'm a burden. That's just, our human mindset usually. Most of us are just scared of rejection. But you have to get to a place where you just don't care anymore. You want people to be a part of what you're doing. They need to know. Put yourself out there. Tell the people that you already know, your Facebook friends, your Instagram friends, your mom's friends, your mom, your cousin, your dad, everybody that you know, your school friends, whatever, Bible study friends, let them know what you're doing. And if you're gonna embark on a tour or put out a book, let them know that you're doing that and how they can support you, or ask them questions. Hey, do you know anyone that can help me publish this, or anyone that might be willing to give to me financially to get this to happen? You would be so surprised what resources come in when you do that. All right, you guys, that's it for me, Gabriella Martay here at Helps To. Make sure you subscribe. We have tons of videos just like this for you to be able to see. We have group conversations, creative conversations, we have business conversations, things that are gonna help you grow right where you're at in your craft and whatever you might be creating.